my personal experience I'm talking about. I will never wear something that I'm not comfortable in. भले वो इतना सा भी उसमें problem क्यों ना. So I think जो जिसमें comfortable हो उसको वही पहनना चाहिए. Yeah, look up to somebody, but yeah, जैसे मुझे कई जगह पर बहुत लोगों के fashion ideas, उनका style अच्छा लगता है. So you know, you kind of pick ideas from everyone. कितना भी अच्छा लगे, अगर मैंने उसे पहना वो कहीं से मुझे इतना सा भी poke कर रहा है ना, you know, be just this much, I will not wear it. जैसे इश्क फर्जी लास्ट ईयर आया था मेरे बर्थडे पे, वी आर प्लानिंग मोर सॉन्ग्स ऑफ मी सिंगिंग, सो यू गाइस विल डेफिनेटली गेट टू सी इट बहुत जल्दी.
Hello, I'm Buzz, and today I am talking to not just Jannat Zubair, but I'm talking to the awardee of the most well-groomed female star for the IWM Style Awards 2020. Now that's like a heavy tag altogether. And style and well-groomed, grooming ke andar, you know, you talk about style, you talk about hair, you talk about skin, everything comes under grooming together. So what is your grooming mantra and how seriously do you take grooming?
So thank you so much for having me, and thank you so much for representing me in the amazing award. So it's the first time I've been nominated in such a category which is so different and unique from others. And I was really, you know, surprised when I got to know that, okay, I've won this. And I think I take it quite seriously, not just because I want to show people that, you know, how well-groomed I am, but just because I love being well-styled, well-groomed, with nice hair, nice makeup and everything. You know, it's kind of very girly of me. And I am that typical girl. Just go, you know, everything has to be like nice, style, and everything that is going on in fashion. So that is my type, that is my nature, and I've always been like that, you know, that I have to have my nails proper and stuff like that. So I was very, very happy, and thank you so much for having me. And yeah, that's all about it.
Well, you know, when we say grooming, because grooming ke andar we talk about everything, right? So it's like a mixture, it's like a compilation of a lot of factors. Now you said very interestingly ki, you know, makeup se leke hair, you know, nails, everything has to be on point for me. But it's not just about girls now. Do you think men should also take grooming very seriously, just like the way women do? Is it more of a gender thing, or everybody should take it very seriously?
No, I don't think it's more of a gender thing. I think everyone should take it, and I think that not only girls, I think काफी सारे लड़के भी they've started, you know, maintaining that beard and everything, the mustache. They've started going to the salon and parlors and everything. So I think it's good. It's more of a hygiene thing. It's more of, you know, your physical hygiene and your own thing. So I think इसमें कुछ gender वाला नहीं है. Just that सबका अपना अपना. And I think everyone should. You know?
Well, I think in short, to put it short, you know, jo dikhta hai wo bikta hai. That is what it is. So, you know, the better we look, the better it shows, and you know, the better it is for everybody. You know, coming to your makeup part, you said that, you know, makeup is very important. You know, an essential factor for you and your grooming. अगर मैं आपको पूछूं कि वो कौन से दो मेकअप आइटम हैं जिसके बिना आप घर के बाहर नहीं निकलती हो? Is there anything in particular which you always carry with you in your handbag, something?
I always carry a lipstick with me. Like I always keep a lipstick with me. आज से नहीं, बहुत सालों से एक lipstick है जो मैं हमेशा carry करती हूँ. And I've also mentioned it before in my interviews that I use this one lipstick which helps me to do my blush, my lipstick, my eyeshadow. So it's like a 3-in-1 thing. So lipstick is the one thing that I carry always with me.
Yeah, and when it is like a 3-in-1 thing, then अगर एक में तीनों का काम चल जाता है, then just one product is enough, I believe.
Yeah, it's actually enough for me. I love to do makeup, but जो मेरा daily basis का makeup होता है, it's not very heavy. I don't apply primer and this and that. I have very limited things. गिनती की चीजें हैं जो मैं use करती हूँ everyday basis पर. तो उनमें से सबसे ज़्यादा important is lipstick for me, जो मैं हमेशा carry करती हूँ अपने साथ.
Very interesting. And you know, एक चीज, you know, we spoke about makeup, but then makeup के साथ साथ also what is very important, as you mentioned very correctly about hygiene, is good skin. You know, skin care is something which is very important. So what is your mantra, you know, so that you look so radiant when it comes to your skin? आप क्या करती हो skin के लिए?
So touchwood, I'm blessed with good skin, जिसके वजह से मुझे कोई acne या pimples जैसी problem नहीं है, जिसके वजह से touchwood मुझे कोई ऐसा अपना routine follow नहीं करना पड़ता है. And being very frank here that I don't have a skincare routine. There is nothing that I do in particular every day to maintain my skin. Absolutely nothing. I don't apply any proper essential oils or creams or moisturizers or anything. I hardly moisturize my skin. You know, so I don't take a proper care for my skin because ऐसी कभी जरूरत मुझे पड़ती नहीं है. कभी in case I feel my skin is dry, so I apply moisturizer. So it depends on situations. You know, while I'm traveling or something, when I think that अच्छा अब मुझे करना चाहिए थोड़ा ध्यान, तब मैं ध्यान रखती हूँ. Otherwise on daily basis I don't have a mantra, I don't have a routine for my skin. Just a few things. मैं नारियल पानी रोज पीती हूँ because I think that is good for skin. मैं वो थॉट से नहीं पीती स्किन के, मुझे पसंद है मैं इसलिए पीती हूँ. But it is good for skin. So yeah, you can kind of consider it. But otherwise I don't have any mantra or a routine.
You know, your words, आपके बातों को सुन के मुझे पता है वेलकम का एक डायलॉग याद आ रहा है नाना पाटेकर जी का, वेर ही वाज सेइंग कि भगवान का दिया हुआ सब कुछ है, दौलत है, शोहरत है, इज्जत है, तो आपके लिए भी वो सब तो है ही, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट स्किन, अच्छा स्किन है, अच्छा हेयर है, अच्छा रूटीन है, परफेक्ट. सो यू नो इट काइंड ऑफ लुक्स वेरी नेचुरल एंड यू नो आई विश दैट इट रिमेन्स एज वेल इन द फ्यूचर. Now tell me something, you know, it's not just, you know, grooming के लिए, you know, we spoke about hair, we spoke about skin. Another very and probably the most prominent factor जो शायद सबसे पहले हम लोग इंसान में देखते हैं वो ये है कि कपड़े, fashion. What is like the kind of style that you like to follow? Is it like the, you know, uber cool boho chic fashion, or is it like more of simple and suave? What is the kind of, you know, stuff that you like to keep with respect to your fashion game?
So I think in my life, like how I said that I don't have a routine. I don't have a skincare routine. I don't have a night routine. I don't have a day routine. I don't have any routine. The same way I don't have a thing for fashion also that I need to follow this one pattern. I just go with the flow. I wear what I like. I wear what suits me. It just has to be in my genre. It just has to suit my personality. That is the only thing I keep in mind. Just wear what makes me comfortable and what suits Jannat Zubair. That is the only thing I keep in mind. Otherwise ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मुझे ये जॉनर को फॉलो करना है या ये पैटर्न के कपड़े पहनने हैं. जो मुझे पसंद आता है वो जहाँ का भी हो, जहाँ से भी मैं उसको लूँ, कहीं पर भी पसंद आ जाता है, I buy it and I wear it. So it's very simple. There is nothing के it has to be particularly this, it has to be from that brand, it has to be this color, this thing, this variant. No, nothing.
So but you spoke about the point of comfort. So do you think a lot of people who are probably confused about their own fashion sense or, you know, what looks good on them, they should probably just stick to comfort rather than trying to do a bit too much, if you had to give a fashion advice to people?
Absolutely. This is, I think, the best advice anyone could give anyone, to be comfortable in your skin and in your clothes. A very normal example, मुझे कोई कपड़ा कितना भी अच्छा लगे, अगर मैंने उसे पहना वो कहीं से मुझे इतना सा भी पोक कर रहा है ना, you know, be it just this much, I will not wear it. उतना काफी होता है. मैं मम्मा will be like, जन्नत come on यार, इतना उसमें काम है, इतना सा just manage it. And I'm like, no, I can't. I have to be comfortable. You know, I can't be just thinking कि उधर से मुझे थोड़ा problem है, because that will stay in my mind. So
exactly.
This is a very common, my personal experience I'm talking about. I will never wear something that I'm not comfortable in. भले ही वो इतना सा भी उसमें problem क्यों ना. So I think जो जिसमें comfortable हो उसको वही पहनना चाहिए. So this is the best fashion advice.
Perfect. You know, I mean, comfort से ज़्यादा comfort. You know, nothing is more probably confident. There's nothing more sexy than that. So I think that's truly you know, good words coming from your end. एक चीज मुझे बताइए, a lot of people, a lot of girls out there, you know, इसमें मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, a lot of people, you know about it कि a lot of girls look upon Jannat Zubair as their fashion inspiration, ठीक है? But who does Jannat Zubair look upon as her fashion inspiration? Do you have any fashion inspiration in particular, or you like take inputs from everywhere?
No, I don't have a fashion inspiration. I don't look up to anybody, be it in fashion or be it any which ways. I am not like clearly a fan of somebody particularly. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है look up to somebody, but yeah, जैसे मुझे कई जगह पर बहुत लोगों के fashion ideas, उनका style अच्छा लगता है. So you know, you kind of pick ideas from everyone.
Correct.
So I get to learn from everyone I see on social media or on TV or anywhere. You know, also on street sometimes. So there is nothing particular कि इससे ही मुझे मतलब I have to look up to somebody. I get ideas from everywhere and yeah, just.
So basically format ये है कि बस अपने आंखें खुले रखो and जहाँ से भी inspiration मिले उठा लो बस.
हाँ, no, that inspiration ऐसा नहीं कि आंखें खुली रखो जहाँ से मिले उठा लो. वो ढूंढना नहीं पड़ना चाहिए आपको. That
it should
thing
just
has
strike
to be
all of a sudden.
eye-catchy. क्या आपने देखा नहीं और आपकी नजर में अटकी.
Correct.
वो अलग चीज होगी. So that is something unique and that is something worth.
Yeah. And एक बार जो नजर अटकी उसके बाद नहीं भटकी. That is what the point is.
Yeah, मतलब कोई जो एक बार देखे वो बार-बार देखे वाली.
Correct. We spoke about fashion inspiration, we spoke about grooming and everything. Now, obviously, just I think the last time when I spoke to you and I asked you about what is that interesting stuff that you're doing for your brother during the lockdown. Obviously, abhi lockdown jaisa effect nahi hai, but still the pandemic is still there. Last time you told me you were making some interesting pasta for your brother Ayan. So, uske baad, what are the things that you have done additionally for your brother? Have you cooked some extra stuff for him?
No, मैंने कुछ cook तो नहीं किया. I did not cook, and during lockdown I burned my hand also. The mark is still there, so I'm not planning to go into the kitchen for anything else except for my dad's tea. Yeah, so my dad's tea is the only thing I make during the day, and मुझे कोई ऐसा cooking का खास शौक भी नहीं है कि मैं ऐसे बनाना खुद सीखूं. और मैं इसके बाद डर भी गई because ये मार्क जा ही नहीं रहा है. So
I know.
Yeah.
But is the pain still there, or it's just the mark? I mean, is the pain still there, or is it gone?
No, there is no pain but the mark. यहाँ पे भी 2-3 मार्क थे जो छोटे-छोटे थे, वो चले गए हैं. But ये जो 3 है वो नहीं गया है, and I love my hands. Like I really love my hands. और उस पे मार्क आ गया है, so it's very heartbreaking for me. But lockdown में I started making sketches also. कुछ sketches मैंने draw किए थे, और but then again वो थोड़ा सा आया था मुझे जोश starting में करने का. So time taking, and it's like you need to concentrate so much that was
exactly.
एक हफ्ता 10 दिन में चला गया.
But it's whatever it is, at the end of the day, safety should be the first priority. आप खाना बाद में बनाओ, just take care of yourself. That is what matters the most. And before I let you go, Jannat, obviously we have seen your singing videos. Your voice is really mesmerizing and sweet. So you are here with me, talking to me. How can I let you go without singing 2 to 3 lines of any song of yours? कुछ भी चलेगा.
Oh God, don't ask me to sing, please. I've been taking my singing classes, जो कि कितने महीने हो गए, बंद भी हो गए हैं. And but I will not leave you on this note. I'd say that जैसे इश्क फर्जी लास्ट ईयर आया था मेरे बर्थडे पे, we are planning more songs of me singing, so you guys will definitely get to see it बहुत जल्दी. And तब you can definitely ask me to sing my new song.
चलेगा. As long as we get to talk to you as more like this, I mean, it works. I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. Thank you so much, Jannat, and once again, many congratulations for the award. And please take care of your hand and yourself, and God bless you. Thank you.
Take care. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.